This is a bullish trend. As identified by this indicator, you can see how the price moved up here. Now, if we look down here, the same indicator gave us a clear support level and the price bounced off it perfectly. If we had taken a long position here, it would have turned into a profitable trade. Most trend indicators just tell you the overall market trend, but not this one. This one goes above and beyond. It highlights exact support and resistance levels and even adds labels when these levels get retested by the price. This makes it super easy to build a strategy around. In this video, I'll show you exactly what this indicator is and how you can use it.
Wait for it. Here it comes. Almost there.
Head over to TradingView, the platform we'll be using. Once you're on TradingView, open any trading asset you want. I'll be using the 1 hour time frame for GBPJPY. Next, click on Indicators and type in Common Trend Levels. You're looking for the one by Big Beluga. The Common Trend Levels indicator is a powerful tool for trend following and market analysis. It uses advanced filtering techniques to identify trend shifts, pinpoint support and resistance levels, and visualize momentum changes. Here's the deal. Common filtering is used to smooth out price data, cutting through market noise to highlight meaningful trends and levels. Now let's break down the components of this indicator. First, we have the trend levels. These are the green and red trend clouds made up of two lines, the fast common filter and the slow common filter. The fast filter closely follows price movements. The slow filter is less reactive and provides more stability. When the trend levels are green, it signals a bullish trend. When they're red, it's bearish. Secondly, we come to the crossover boxes. These green and red boxes appear whenever the fast and slow common filters cross each other. A green box marks a potential support level. A red box indicates potential resistance. Then we have the retest signals. These can be activated in the indicator settings. They appear as plus and X symbols, marking areas where the price retests support or resistance levels. And last but not the least are the trend shift arrows. Upward green arrows signal a shift from bearish to bullish, while downward red arrows mark a bearish turn. Now that we know what makes up this indicator, let's talk about how to use it for trading. First, make sure to use the default settings. Double-click the indicator and enable the retest signals in the settings, then click OK. Strategy 1 is the pullbacks. To take a long position using the pullback strategy, follow these steps. Step 1, confirm the trend. Look for a bullish trend with green trend levels and upward price movement. Step 2, identify the pullback. A pullback occurs when the price temporarily moves down with some candles opening and closing below the fast common filter, but not below the slow common filter. These candles will turn gray. Step 3, confirm the end of the pullback. When the candles switch back to green, it's time to enter a long position. Set your stop loss below the recent swing low and aim for a take profit at 1.5 times the risk. For a short position, it's the reverse. Look for a bearish trend with red trend levels, identify a pullback with gray candles, and wait for them to turn red to confirm your entry. Place your stop loss above the recent swing high and target 1.5 times the risk. Welcome aboard our crypto arc where dreams meet freedom. Join us on this journey as we empower crypto believers with knowledge and tools to achieve their goals. And guess what? We're just getting started in this world of endless possibilities. Click the link below to join us now. Enjoy 0 fees on spot trading for the first 30 days and a chance to win up to 30,000 USDT in deposit rewards. Established in 2018, Bybit is one of the fastest growing cryptocurrency exchanges committed to providing a professional, smart, and innovative trading experience. Join Bybit today and ride the wave of crypto success. As for strategy 2, we have the retests of support and resistance levels. This strategy adds an extra layer of confluence. Here's how it works. Step 1, confirm the trend. Ensure the market is trending bullish for long trades or bearish for shorts. Step 2, pull back and retest. During a pullback, the price should retest a support level or resistance for shorts. A valid retest occurs when the price touches the level with a wick or closes inside the level, but doesn't break below or above it. Step 3, confirm entry. Wait for a green candle or red for shorts after the retest to enter. Place your stop loss at the bottom of the retest candle and target 1.5 times the risk. One of the key benefits of the common trend levels indicator is its versatility. It can be used across various time frames and trading assets, from Forex pairs like GBP, JPY to cryptocurrencies, stocks, and even indices. However, no indicator is perfect, and that's why backtesting is crucial. Always backtest extensively to understand how the strategy performs under different market conditions. This will help you optimize your entry and exit criteria for the best results. Unlock your trading potential with FundedX. If you're ready to elevate your trading game to new heights, look no further than FundedX, the ultimate platform for promising traders worldwide. What sets FundedX apart? Let me break it down for you. Say goodbye to trading under pressure. With FundedX, you trade at your own pace with no deadlines hanging over your head. Enjoy the best trading conditions in the game. With FundedX, you get raw spreads and the lowest commissions, ensuring every trade works in your favor. Don't miss out on this opportunity by clicking the link above or down in the description to be part of a dynamic community shaping the future of trading. Additionally, consider combining this indicator with other tools like Fibonacci retracements, volume analysis, or moving averages for added confluence. This will help you refine your strategy and improve your win rate. Oh, by the way, here are some pro tips for trading with common trend levels. Avoid trading in sideways markets. The common trend levels indicator works best in trending markets. During consolidations, the signals can become less reliable. Use multiple timeframes, analyze the higher timeframe trend before diving into a lower timeframe setup. This will give you a clearer picture of the market direction. Set alerts on TradingView. Save time by setting up alerts for when key levels are reached or when trend shifts occur. This way, you won't have to monitor the charts constantly. Practice risk management. Even the best indicators and strategies can fail, so always stick to your risk management rules. Never risk more than 1% to 2% of your trading account on a single trade. As you can see, the common trend levels indicator is an incredibly versatile tool for traders of all levels, whether you're just starting or you're a seasoned pro. This indicator can help you identify high probability trade setups and boost your confidence in the market. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and consider subscribing for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.